I'm Unique D, so happy you are here with me. We're going to Patterson's farm, and I got my big boy Braylon pumping the gas. Got the other kids in the car, got hubby, and we are taking you with us. So we'll see you at the farm. We made it to the farm. Me and Tegan got on our matching shirts, and right in the parking lot, it's some apple trees and stuff. A couple apples on the ground. What? So we're gonna walk over to where the market is, and then see what other activities they got. The farm we're at is called Patterson Farm, and it's actually pretty popular locally. We get Patterson like apple cider and apples and stuff in the fall at all the local grocery stores, but this is their actual location. Right now it's pretty busy. I'm kind of short, so I gotta raise up so you can see the sign. But I think we're gonna go into the market first. Looks like apple picking is available today. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we missed it. Let's see. But there's always like jams and stuff on the inside. So let's see what they got. We got corn. Ooh, apple butter. $4.95 for the half, which I think is this, and $6.95 for the jar. They do pure maple syrup. Somebody left their water, but that's cute. Even the little container that it's in, that's nice. They sell these like you get at the restaurant. Is that candles? Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells really good. Here, smell it, Tegan. What you think? No? Sweet treat. Some of this stuff is third party, but my guess is a lot of it is probably local. Gluten-free stuff. Ooh, we got some Ohio honey. More candles. Hive and honey. Let's see how this one smells. You wanna smell it? What you think about that one? No? Tegan not a fan of none of the candles. They got clover, sour, and root beer honey sticks. I like the sour honey sticks. Of course, Tegan spotted the girly stuff. We got some lip gloss. Oh, a 2-pack. And then, oh, it smells real strong like wax.
I like this.
What else we got? The Naked Bee, all good stuff, none of the bad stuff. Soaps, foot balm, hand lotion, all that good stuff. Some marmalades. All good looking stuff. I'm still not sure what we're gonna try yet. Just looking around first. I may pick one of these. The sauces look really good. I don't know though if this is like a brand that's in other stores or if it's just a local brand that they carry here. But yeah, sauces and salad dressing. Some of them look real good. Now when it comes to anything pickled, that's my husband's favorite right there. So he's looking at the olives and stuff. Will look good, baby. $10. Some dessert mixes and stuff too. All good looking stuff. Ooh, this buffalo aioli. Okay. Sound like something I would enjoy. We're gonna try a cider. They got slushies and drinks. I really hope they got a warm one. Oh, the hoodies are nice. Hello. Do you have a warm cider?
Yeah.
Okay, can I do one warm cider? The blue one. Like a blue raspberry? We got the apple farm. You gotta try the apple. Avion and Braylon got the apple cider slushy, and I got the warm cider. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Like, it's so good. It's scorching hot, but it is so good. They got these cute little farm-shaped pastas. I thought that was cute. I want to say we missed apple picking for today, but their peaches actually look good. They still pretty firm, so they probably need to ripen up a little bit at home. And then they got the bagged apples that we can get. Let's see. Oh, man. They are pretty high. Apples. 16 and $9. Oh yeah. They up there. Chef Braylon picked this one. So we doing the Honeycrisp apples. Tegan's mad because she didn't get to pick. But he said he had a recipe for us for dessert. So we'll see what happens. These Smokies look so good. They got some lemonade. And my favorite, the cider is out. Half a gallon is $5.50. Pint is $2.25. And then the full gallon, it's probably about $9. Okay, $9.50 for the full gallon. But they have some really good cider. They got homemade pickling kits, which I thought was cool. About $6. They got these little fudge packs that look pretty good. They got some candy corn, some soaps, and cute little, oh my God. Now Cheryl's cookies, that's a vibe. Cheryl's cookies are so freaking good. Whatever they charging for these cookies, I'm telling you, they're probably worth it. I don't see a price. Oh, $2.25. Oh, that's not bad at all. Yeah, Cheryl's cookies are so good. There is a full little playground area for the kids. And then eventually we'll come back and do the actual apple picking where we pick our own apples. But today we came too late. This is still a full active farm. So we walking over to go see the chickens.
The one thing with the red jelly filling, it tastes like that, but like a blueberry Pop-Tart mixed together.
Now this apple fritter, well, it's actually a blueberry fritter, but oh my goodness, it is so good. It looks like they actually do a livestock sale. Maybe we missed it. It was this weekend. Yep. Look at these babies. They are huge. Some of them are like buried down, like they about to, I guess, hatch some eggs. Look at that. Yeah, they are huge. I wanted to come show you. It's rabbits in here too, baby. I wanted to come show you the other animals. We got some stinky. Are these sheep? Ooh, yeah, they smell awful. And then you got the rabbits. Look at those babies. Pretty cool. Working farm. The kids are leaving. It's 80-something degrees and I'm out here with warm apple cider, but it's so beautiful. We are just kind of taking a walk out on all the greenery. It almost looks surreal. It's so green. Nice. We're enjoying. We done with the farm, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Love you guys. I will see you in the next one.